Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on FIFA Game. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the icon with two profiles in the top section of your screen. Here, click on the profile icon with a plus sign in the right hand side of your screen. Here, you can tap on the search icon and type in the username of the person that you want to add as friend, or you can simply go back and click on the add friend option of the recommended users. And if you're sure that you want to add this person as your friend, then tap on send request option and tap on OK button. So that is how you can add friends on FIFA Game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.